It goes, he's going to give me introduction, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and a conclusion. This is awesome, guys. At this point, you've probably heard of Chat GPT. In this video, I will explain you 3 simple steps how to start using Chat GPT and get the most out of it. Before we start, I would like to do a small recap for those who have no idea about what Chat GPT is. In short, Chat GPT is an artificial intelligence based on the GPT language model. This tool belongs to the company OpenAI, created by the 2 co-founders Elon Musk and Sam Altman. Just 2 months after its launch, ChatGPT counted more than 100 million users. This is very impressive, but not when considering what ChatGPT is capable of. So without a further ado, let's take a look at how you can get started with ChatGPT right now. So step number 1 is to open our browser and to search for openai.com. Once we land to this page, we are going to search for Try ChatGPT. We click on it. As we don't have an account, we are going to sign up for a new account. You can either register with a new address mail, with a Google account, or with a Microsoft account. In this situation, let's say we use an email address. We create a password. Once we create a password, we receive a confirmation email. Once we confirm our email, so then we will have to enter our phone number and we will receive an SMS code. Once we receive this SMS code, we enter the numbers we receive and we should land in the dashboard to start using ChatGPT. And that's what it looks like. So I like to use the dark mode, but you can here switch to light mode or dark mode. So this is ChatGPT and this is step 2 of creating the account. So now we are in the step 3, which is using ChatGPT concretely. Is actually to ask him a question or to put a request that is called actually a prompt. So what you want to do is each time you're talking about a specific topic, you want to create a new chat. So in this case is a new chat. I have nothing. So let's try it. Let's tell ChatGPT, can you provide me
5 video ideas, 5 YouTube video ideas about self-setup.
So here he's going to give us 5 titles or 5 ideas in general. And I'm going to ask him, well, this is the basic. This is already like very helpful because it helps you to do a big brainstorming. But I want to show you how you can push it even further. So after receiving these 5 ideas, I'm going to ask him to develop or to give me outlines for the idea, let's say number 2. Could you give me
The outline for the video number 2.
So here it goes. He's going to give me introduction, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and a conclusion. This is awesome, guys. Well, there are a lot more applications for ChatGPT, not only for YouTube videos, that I will cover soon. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a very powerful tool that can help you optimize your work, your personal life, and even much more. If you want to learn in just 3 minutes what are the most common areas where ChatGPT can be very useful, then I advise you to go and watch this video that will display on the top right corner of your screen. Let's face it, the age of artificial intelligence is just beginning, and it's time to open our eyes and to take a closer look at it. My advice is to not let yourself get sidetracked by these new technologies and do not let this opportunity slip away from you. And if you really want to learn more and stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell notification. See you in the next video.